Hi, Namaste everyone. Divya's Makeover this side. So, those who all are new, hi, my name is Divya. I'm a makeup artist and fashion beauty content creator on YouTube and Instagram. So, if you are interested in these kind of stuff, then do subscribe to my channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to review few products and showing you the tutorial of this eye makeup look. So, firstly, I'm taking Inside Cosmetics concealer in the shade MNY20, using this for covering my dark circle, and this is a full coverage concealer in such affordable price. Next, I'm using two foundations for my base. So first one is from Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in shade F9.5. For mixing, I'll be using Plum Soft Blend Weightless Foundation in the shade 10 Glow, which is 130N. Mixing these and applying all over my face and blending it really well. Next, I'm applying concealer, but today I'm not using a highlighting concealer. It matches exactly my skin color as I didn't feel like highlighting too much. Now blending this out with a damp beauty blender to get that beautiful flawless finish. As I said previously that this is a full coverage concealer, so it starts drying really quick. You need to blend this concealer in a very fast dabbing motion so that it cannot get patchy. Next, time to set it all in place with powder. Now we are starting off with neon pigments in vibrant shades of yellow, pink and purple. Taking some yellow neon pigment and dabbing in it on my eyelid with a very light pressure of hand. Exactly same doing with other colors. Now these pigments are quite pigmented. For more pigmented look, use white base under these colors. Now let's add some drama to the eyes. We are doing graphic liner using white eyeliner. This is the design which I am drawing on my both eyes. From connecting this liner to the inner corner of my lower lash line and following this till my half lash line. Next, in the outer corner of my eyes, I have created a wing using the same white liner. Now curling those lashes and adding some volume to eyes using Maybelline New York mascara. Next, moving on to cheeks, we are adding pop of color with blush to get that rosy glow on my face. If you guys want product details, please ping me on comment section, then I will provide it in description box. Next, doing contour to my face, defining those features of face with the strategic strokes on my forehead, jawline and cheekbones. Next, we are starting off with lip liner to define those curves. Now mixing 2-3 shades of lipstick to create a custom color for my pigmented lips. Now last but not the least, we are doing some highlighter for the extra shine. I like to do this on my inner corners of my eyes, little bit on my nose, cheekbones, and if you are doing on your clients, then use a brush for every single step. And there you have it. Now our vibrant color makeup is complete. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful makeup journey. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay fabulous. Bye bye.